What is Google Ads Enhanced Conversion Tracking? Enhanced conversion tracking in Google Ads make lead tracking more accurate. Whenever someone fills out a form, use info like their email or phone to match the lead with our ads. This helps Google optimize our ads better, reach more relevant audience, deliver accurate result, and improve overall ad performance. Inshallah, in this video I will show how to set up Google Ads Enhanced Conversion Tagging using Google Tag Manager with contact from 7 submission tracking. Navigate to Google Ads account and let's create a conversion action. Move on goal. Summary scroll a bit. Create conversion action. Select website, then scan our website domain. Scroll a bit and add a conversion action manually. Goal and action optimization. Click on drop down menu. Since we want to track contact from 7 submission on our website, so we select submit lead from, then conversion name, then value. For lead from submission, we select use the same value for each conversion and count should be 1. I leave this option as they are, but if you want, you can change. Click on drop down menu and make sure enhanced conversion is enabled. Then done. Save and continue. Move on. Use Google Tag Manager. We got our conversion ID and conversion label. Navigate to Google Tag Manager. Now we create Google Ads config tag. That's why move on tag. New tag configuration. Google Ads. Then Google Tag. Inside the tag ID box, type AW hyphen back to Google Ads account and copy conversion ID and paste here without space. Triggering initialization all page. Then name the tag. Then save. It's time to create a conversion linker tag. So again new tag configuration and select conversion linker. Inside the linker option, enable linking all page URLs. Then triggering all page. Name the tag. Then save. Now we create a custom HTML tag using contact from 7 listener code. So again new tag configuration. Scroll a bit and select custom HTML. In our Facebook free support group, in the pin post contains the contact from 7 listener code. If you want, you can take it. Let's copy this and paste here. Triggering, select all page, name the tag, then save. Let's go preview. Must be enter here website URL, then connect. Go to the page where our contact form is installed. Let's fill out the form and submit. Move on Google Tag Manager Preview Mode, then continue. Here we can see our contact from 7 submission event. Move on data layer. Here we see user email and user phone. Back to Google Tag Manager. Now we create data layer variable. Move on variables. User defined variables. New. Variable configuration is called a bit and select data layer variable. Back to Google Tag Manager Preview Mode and copy email and paste here as it is. Name the variable. Then save again. New. Variable configuration is called a bit. Select data layer variable. Back to Google Tag Manager Preview Mode and copy phone. Then paste here. Name the variable. Then save. Now we create user provided data layer variable. That's why again new. Variable configuration is called a bit and select user provided data. For email, click on drop down menu and select email variable that we created previously. Also for phone, name the variable. Then save. Next, let's create the Google Ads conversion tag. Move on tags. New. Tag configuration. Google Ads. Google Ads conversion tracking. Back to Google Ads account and copy conversion ID. Then paste here. Then conversion label. Then triggering. Click on plus icon. Trigger configuration is called a bit and select custom event. Back to Google Tag Manager Preview Mode and copy event name. Then paste here. Name the trigger. Then save. Also name the tag. Then save. Now we create user provided tag. That's why again new. Tag configuration. Google Ads and select Google Ads user provided data event. Conversion ID. For this, go to Google Ads account and copy conversion ID again. Then paste here. Then user data. Click on drop down menu and select Google Ads user provided data variable that we created previously. Then triggering. Select Google Ads CF7 submit trigger that we created for Google Ads conversion tag. Then save. Let's finally submit our work. Name the version. Then publish. Now go to preview and check our setup work properly or not. Submit the form again. Move on Google Tag Manager Preview Mode. Continue. Here we see our all tag fired. Let's move on variable. Here we can see our data being synced perfectly. Back to Google Ads account. Click on done. Scroll a bit. Click on drop down menu. Here we see our conversion inactive. Let's refresh the page. Now show here no recent data conversion because nobody submit the form yet. It will show up once someone submit the form. Then inside the goals, move on settings. Enhanced conversion for leads. Click on drop down menu and enable turn on enhanced conversion for leads. Select an option, click on drop down menu and select Google Tag Manager, then save. Also enhanced conversion, click on drop down menu and make sure here select Google Tag Manager. Let's quickly summarize what we did. Create a conversion action in Google Ads. Google Ads config tag in GTM. Conversion linker tag in GTM. Custom HTML tag for contact from 7 listener. Create a data layer variables in GTM. User provided data variable. Google Ads user provided data tag. Google Ads conversion tag in GTM. Preview, test and submit GTM container. Adjust Google Ads setting. Our Google Ads enhanced conversion tagging using Google Tag Manager with contact from 7 submission tracking setup done. Alhamdulillah.